Moiboo Workshop Software. How to update an appointment. This guide explains how to modify or update an existing vehicle appointment in Moiboo Workshop Software. Step 1. Open the appointment list. Log into your Moiboo Workshop Management System dashboard. In the top navigation menu, click on Repair and select Appointment. Step 2. Locate the appointment. Use the search bar Name, Mobile, Vehicle Number or click Advanced Search to find the specific booking. Locate the customer's record in the appointment list table. Step 3. Select Update Appointment. Scroll to the Action column on the far right of the selected appointment entry. Click the Action drop-down menu button. Select Update Appointment, highlighted in yellow, from the available options. View Appointment. View the existing booking details. Update Appointment. Edit booking dates, service types, technician assignments, or customer details. Convert Job card. Directly convert the scheduled booking into an active repair job card. Step 4. Save updated details. Modify the necessary appointment fields.
Example, bed, time slot, appointment notes, or assign engineer. Click Save, or save an email, or save an WhatsApp to submit and apply your changes.